Hello, amazing people. Today I want to try something a little different. I want to use 1,500 naira to head right into the market and see if I can get a decent meal. Did I say decent meal? A decent pot of soup. And for me, I have big eyes. So I want to make something that is not so simple, not the likes of, do I say egusi, okra, vegetable, afang. I think I'll try Afang. So let's see how I can spend 1,500 naira making Afang soup. You know, in this country of ours, let's face it, now Agbada they cover problems. So we can't keep saying no, things are all easy, things are all, you know. Hi, Felicia.
Hi. Today I'm wearing hair.
Yeah. So we cannot say things are all easy, things are all rosy, and as we are covering our clothes with our agbada, we say no, our pocket is filled with money. Let us go and see something different today. Let us try and make a decent pot of soup with 1,500 naira. So let's head into the market and see how it goes.
Which is almost impossible.
Almost impossible, seriously, but we will try. It must work today. See you in the market.
Get destroyed and they were testimony. Yes, sir. Madame Meteorita tomato, yes, sir. Madame Meteorita tomato, yes, sir. Madame Meteorita tomato, yes, sir. Stop all.
What do you expect? Show your cash.
We're almost done.
Buy that one.
Huh? Give me.
If you like fun talking like that,
I know whether you want to do al-haram. So this is what we have left to spend.
Yeah.
Okay, you release them. So we are done with our list. It was quite difficult getting water leaf because water leaf is quite on the high side. So the budget for water leaf was
100 naira.
100 naira. So I got water leaf of 100. I got the water leaf of 100 naira, but it was quite small. And while buying, I made a mistake. I didn't even look into my list. I was supposed to buy dry fish. I ended up buying pomo with the money. So we're still on the same page. I bought pomo for the money with the money I was supposed to use to buy my dry fish. So we're still on the same page even though there's no dry fish. I'm leaving the open market right now and we're heading to go cook the food. So here I have periwinkle 100 naira, oil 150 naira, pepper 50 naira, onion 50 naira, meat 300 naira. It was hard, but we made it. Stock cube 50 naira, crayfish 100 naira, stockfish 200 naira, pomo 200 naira, water leaf 100 naira, and okazi 200 naira. So after cutting the water leaf, the next to do is to pound the okazi. The meat is cooked and I have my own little stock to cook with. After which I'll be adding the stockfish. Some pounded crayfish. And a little extra water. Hello, are you still watching? You like the video, right? Come on, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Alright people, you can tell that the food looks delicious. Every step of this adventure was fun. We've come to the end of this video. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the good stuff. See you in my next video.